Hello, I got these Xfinity security cameras recently. These are the first generation X cams that I have here in front of me. Here it is the RJ45 connector at one end of this cable, while the camera on the other end. Their mount or the stand looks like this. And well, you may see that here on the camera there is a reset button, and along with the recent reset button, the MAC address is written. Here it is written that it should be powered by a 12 volt power supply with 350 milliampere of current. But you may notice that there is only one RJ45 connector and no option to input power. So the point here is that these cameras are PoE cameras, that is power over Ethernet. So this RJ45 connector basically plugs into an adapter for Xfinity camera, and I assume, since I do not have that adapter will both power the camera, get data from camera through the same plug RJ45, and I think that the same power adapter has a built-in circuitry for Wi-Fi interfacing of this camera. Since I do not have that plug, and I have browsed web for a couple of my questions, which were that how do I power this camera on and get image over Ethernet by plugging it, say, directly to my laptop computer's Ethernet port or into the router that I have at home. Unfortunately, I do not have the PoE router. PoE routers, you may think of devices where this plug RJ45 will be connected, and that PoE router will power it, get data, and then route that data to your internet device or the local area network switch, etc. I hope you are getting the idea. Let me share with you the connections in this RJ45 plug, which I happened to find over Xfinity forums by Googling a bit. See, here this camera that I got from a friend has a wire sticking out and no such RJ45 connector over here because someone has cut the wires. So you can see that here it is the grounding wire, the golden one, and there is the green, the white green, and there is white, and there is uh, white green, white orange, and solid orange. So let me show you over screen that where these are connected in this 8-pin RJ45 connector. Okay, let me tell you again, there's this pinout is shared by some representative from Xfinity, and I have not yet verified, but I hope that it will be like that. He would have shared the correct information. So let me show you at the screen. Okay, so I browsed multiple other websites to see how PoE cameras are powered, what pins are used, and let me show you on the screen that how these are powered. You can pause and see for details, but I happen not to agree with any of the configuration, so I have planned to open this camera, but um, so far, my tries have been vague. I could not open it. It is sealed, perhaps, with some solution or compound. I tried to open it from here and I could not open it. I tried to open it from here and it is so solid build, perhaps waterproof also, that obviously it would be waterproof because Xfinity claims that these cameras are both indoor and outdoor. So let me try to open it and then we can see how these wires are connected to the chip inside, and if they have mentioned any positive or negative connections over the board. So stay tuned.